Matt Preston's. How about me?
아이고.
No.
I was wrong. I need help.
Well, I didn't say that. Hello everyone! This is Chef Good Choice. Good Choice! So today's reaction video is to Matt Preston's Korean brisket and kimchi burger recipe. Matt Preston is well known as food critic and was judge of Masterchef Australia.
So, what does food critic do?
Food critic? It's like your girlfriend. She loves you, but at the same time give you lots of complaint with detail. And he does it professionally. And few years ago, Matt Preston went to Korea and traveled around introducing many places with great food. Link below in description. It was Gary, now Matt Preston. They all going to Korea for free. How about me? The Korean chef. Why I can't get free ticket?
I told you, you're not famous.
Okay. Yes, free ticket to Korea.
But you're not famous.
Right.
Uh-oh.
So I need to be famous for free flight ticket. If you want to support me, please click like and subscribe. And if you watch this on SNS, please click share. Thank you.
Thank you.
So let's start.
Let's do it!
First step, we need to combine minced brisket and minced speck with 2 tablespoons soy sauce. But I couldn't find minced speck, so I chopped some speck really fine. Now mix well. Make into the patty shape and brush with soy sauce again. But why brisket? Beef brisket is actually one of the toughest part of beef, which is placed on breast because cow walking like this. The reason of its toughest texture is the brisket has many connections of different muscle tissue. So usually we braise it or slowly smoke or roast it, but as a mince. Brisket has higher fat content, like normal beef mince has 80% meat and 20% fat, but brisket mince has 75% meat and 25% fat, which become strong beefy flavor and rich burger patty. And also speck, which is similar to pancetta, prosciutto and bacon, which is cured smoked ham from usually pork leg, but also other parts as well, and has strong savory and smoky taste. So his recipe using mixture of strong flavor beef cut with high level fat and smoked cured ham. Beef and pork together. Sounds good for me. But spag is quite salty. Do not put too much soy sauce. Okay? Next, prepare vegetables. I cut spring onion first, thin slice green part, and cut into half white part. And cut 2 green capsicum quarter. And chop some batch cabbage. I cut a little bit thin like coleslaw, which is easy to put in the burger later. Next, making kimchi. Honestly, I have bad feeling about this recipe. Another kimchi recipe from Western chef. Trauma from Peter Evans recipe. Into the bowl, put cabbage, salt, and hot water. Set aside for 15 minutes. Drain and wash it later. Mix with dark part of spring onion, garlic, sugar, fish sauce, and chili flake. And mix well. Use hot water. Are you cooking cabbage for kimchi?
아이고.
No. Okay, for people who don't understand why should not use hot liquid for kimchi, I'll give you some example. You know what pickled cucumber is, but do you know what cornichon is? Yes, both look similar, made of cucumber, but quite different. Cornichon is from French that preserved cucumber with hot boiling brine, not cold. So this pickled cucumber is with cold pickling, and this cornichon is with hot pickling. And what is big difference? Texture. So if we try normal pickled cucumber, it's like pickled cucumber. Crunch. And I feel even vegetable is fresh, but if we try this cornichon, the texture is smooth and cooked, but has a richer flavor because it's cooked in the brine. Of course, I'm not saying which one is good or bad. I'm saying it is different between two items, like this fresh kimchi, Korean original kimchi, and this cooked kimchi, Matt Preston kimchi. Are you serious? I respect you that creating new recipe using Korean concept, but please do not kill originality. Please. By the way, Pete Evans kimchi takes 23 days, and Post one takes 3 days, and Matt Preston, your one, takes only 15 minutes. Interesting. And why Chinese cabbage again? For Korean food, Korean cabbage, Asian cabbage, or Bachu, Korean name for cabbage, not wonbok. Now, put Frypan on the stove and cook capsicum and spring onion until it becomes soft. Take out and cook the patties on same pan. Sear both sides, cook for 2 minutes on high heat and turn down to heat to medium, and cook inside the patty as well, about 3 minutes. Grill pan! I finally use it again, cause I have to buy this grill pan for Gary Megan's recipe, the Korean chicken barbecue, which I'm not sure what it is. After that, I never use it, but now it become useful again. If you want to watch the video of reaction to Gary Megan's recipe, please click here. Now, prepare brioche bun and start to stack burger nicely. Now, put mayonnaise, capsicum, patty, gochujang, spring onion, and kimchi, and put the lid on,
Oh, gochujang!
which is Korean preserved chili paste. So Matt, you know Korean chili paste but not Korean chili powder? For kimchi, even Pete Evans used it for his kimchi recipe. If you want to watch this video, please click here. By the way, what is different between chili flake and gochugaru, Korean chili powder? First, we can see they have different looking. As you can see, gochugaru has finer texture than chili flake and just red color. Gochugaru is just from the flesh of chili. Chili flake has bigger flake size with red color, but also some white and yellow part as well, which is seed and vein of chili. So chili flake has more and variety chili flavor, but gochugaru has more smoky and sweet flavor, which is from its own drying preparation process. That is why we need to use gochugaru for Korean kimchi, Korean ingredient for Korean food. But of course, if you cannot find gochugaru, you still can use chili flake. But not you, Matt Preston. You are the food profession. No.
You didn't say correct or wrong in this video.
No. This is his recipe, his creation. I'm not kind of chef everything is bad. I react with respect. So, food is ready. Let me try. Quite interesting. This is first time to try. Korean fusion food recipe from Western Food Critic. First, patty. Seems like he used the soy sauce as a replacement of It's really the hardest thing for people to say.
I was wrong. I need help. Worcestershire sauce.
I hate English. Worcestershire sauce. So soy sauce can give extra Asian flavor to the patty. But as I said, don't put too much. And texture of brisket means really tender, and speck gives extra smokiness. And second, kimchi. I don't know. This kimchi tastes like Asian but not Korean. Wrong ingredient, wrong cooking method. Matt, you have to master original version before create twist recipe. This one for me, not kimchi anymore. You just been to Korea one time. Like cooked spicy cabbage, not preserved. But where is the refreshing part? Kimchi is cooked, spring onion is cooked, capsicum is cooked. Usually hamburger has pickled cucumber in it or slow to give a refreshness and balance with bread and meat. And also there is something missing here. Something crispy and rich. Cause as I said, everything is cooked soft. The fried egg. Ooh. This is much better. Especially I cook the egg in Asian style. You know, the outside is crispy bun, but egg yolk is runny. Just give crunchiness and richness. And if it's the real kimchi, not cooked one, it must be perfect. See, this is why I ask Asian chef for Asian concept food. Originality.
Conclusion today.
How do I think about this burger?
Quite frankly, that.
And he looks up at me and he says,
To me, from it leaving his hand and travelling down to hit the floor, that took about an hour. My Masterchef time is over, and he looks up at me and he says,
Well, I didn't say that.
Wait, stop the music.
What's going on?
I got a call from my girlfriend.
Oh, you got the call from boyfriend critics. So today, I react to Matt Preston's recipe, Korean brisket and kimchi burger. I love twist or fusion recipe. Especially Korean fusion is my favorite. And also, I made a couple of Korean burger before, so I was so excited about this recipe. First Korean burger from Western. I wish you have a great day and hope to see you in different video. So, bye bye!